Have you ever dreamed about starting your own business, but the sheer amount of work just seems overwhelming? Well, what if you could do it all by yourself, using the incredible power of AI? Today, we're going to show you not only that it's possible, but exactly how you can do it step by step.
So let's kick things off with a big question, one that honestly would have sounded like science fiction just a few years ago. Is it actually possible to go from nothing to a fully up and running business in less than a single day?
With the right stack of AI tools, the answer is a huge, resounding yes. And look, we're not just going to talk about it in theory. We're going to give you the exact 5-step blueprint to make it a reality.
Okay, so this is our game plan. We've got 5 key sections to walk through. We're going to start with just a tiny spark of an idea and follow it all the way through to the best part, getting that first paying client in the door.
All right, first up, the idea. I mean, you can't build a house without a foundation, right? Every great business needs a solid concept. So we're going to use this awesome 3-tool AI process to not just dream up an idea, but to actually check if it's a good one with some solid research. So here's how this little workflow works. First, we're going to brainstorm with ChatGPT. Just throw our skills at it and see what it spits out. Then, once we have an idea we like, we'll go deep with Google's Gemini. This is for the heavy lifting, the market research. And finally, we'll use NotebookLM to take all that dense research and boil it down into a simple, clear summary that we can actually work with. Super efficient.
So for our example, we basically told ChatGPT, hey, we're good at AI and marketing. It gave us 5 ideas back, and this one just jumped off the page. A high-ticket service helping other entrepreneurs automate their marketing. I mean, it's a perfect fit, right? You're solving a huge pain point, and the price tag, around $5,000, means it's a viable business right from the get-go.
Okay, and this is where things get kind of mind-blowing. To make sure our idea wasn't a dud, we put Gemini to work. And in just 10 minutes, it did the job of an entire research team. It scanned hundreds of websites and kicked out a 24-page deep dive report. I mean, just think about that for a second. Work that used to take weeks, done in less time than it takes to drink a cup of coffee. Wild.
So, we've got a killer, validated idea. Awesome. What's next? Well, now we got to give it a name, a look, a personality. It's time to build the brand. And you guessed it, we're going to do this whole thing in just a few minutes. So instead of just getting a boring text list from ChatGPT, we're going to use an AI name generator, like Namelix. And the reason is it's super visual. We're just going to give it a simple prompt, a couple of keywords, and it helps you see the brand potential right away, not just read it.
And bam, just like that, you get this whole list of really creative, brandable names. And the best part, they come with little logo concepts, so you can start picturing what it'll look like. We sifted through the options, and honestly, Magic Marketer just felt right.
Now, to take that concept and make it real, we can use a tool like Looka. It's a specialized AI platform that'll generate a full brand kit for you. We're talking logo, color palette, fonts, the whole shebang. It just asks you a few questions about your style preferences, and boom, out pops a bunch of professional options ready to go.
Okay, our brand is locked and loaded. Now it's time to build our home on the web, our website, our online storefront. And get this, you don't need to know a single line of code. No technical skills required, I promise. We're going to use this free AI website builder from HubSpot, and honestly, it's a total game changer. All you do is feed it a simple description of your business. That's it. It then builds the entire site for you. It figures out the layout, it finds the images, and it even writes professional-sounding sales copy for you. So, the big thing to realize here is that in just a matter of seconds, you have a website that looks totally legit and professional. It's got all the key parts you need. All you have to do is make a few small tweaks to make it your own, and you are literally ready to hit that publish button. All right, we've built this shop, but now we need customers to find it, right? So let's build an automated social media engine that's going to basically act as our megaphone and get the word out there for us. This is another super simple 3-step process that basically puts your content creation on autopilot. First, we'll dip back into our research from NotebookLM to get some post ideas. Then, we'll hop into Canvas AI to create the graphics in a snap. And finally, we use a scheduling tool like Flick or Zapier to post everything for us. Seriously, your social media can now pretty much run itself. Okay, now for the moment of truth, the most critical step of all, getting paid. We've got everything else set up, so let's dive into 2 really cool AI-powered strategies to go out and land that very first client.
So we've got 2 powerful ways to go about this. Think of it as push versus pull. The first path is proactive cold outreach. We'll use a tool like Apollo.io to literally hunt down our perfect clients and email them automatically. The second path is more of a pull strategy, attracting leads with paid ads. We can use ChatGPT to write killer ad copy by getting inspiration from what's already working out there for other businesses.
But here's the crucial thing to remember. It doesn't matter if you're pushing your message out or pulling people in with ads. Both roads lead to the exact same place: getting potential clients to land on your brand new website and, most importantly, book a sales call with you.
And there you have it, a complete 5-step blueprint to take an idea and turn it into a launched business, all in less than a day. The tools exist, the path is clear, so the only real question left is, what are you going to build?